Lord, I come before you now in stillness. I slow down my mind. I quiet the noise of the day. I let go of what has been and what will be. I anchor myself in this moment with you. Here, now I invite your presence to surround me. I breathe in your peace. I breathe out my worry. I breathe in your calm. I breathe out my fear. I breathe in your spirit. I breathe out everything that's heavy in my soul. You are my hiding place. You are my shelter in the storm. You are the steady hand when everything around me shakes. I don't have to hold it all together. I don't have to know all the answers. I don't have to perform, achieve, or impress you. I just have to be, to sit, to rest, to open my heart and say, Lord, I need you. I need you to calm the anxious tide in me. I need you to slow the racing thoughts. I need you to untangle the tension in my chest. I need you to be my stillness when I feel scattered. I surrender to your presence, God. You are here. You have always been here. And you're not going anywhere. I lift up every concern that weighs on me. I lift up every unknown I've tried to control. I lift up every fear I've buried deep inside. I name them before you now, not because you don't know them, but because I need to release them. I place them into your hands, the hands that formed the stars, the hands that carry the world, the hands that were nailed to bring me peace. You are strong enough to hold it all, and I trust you. When my mind wanders, draw it back. When I feel tension, remind me to breathe. When I feel fear rise, speak peace to my heart. I will not let my heart be troubled. I will not let it be afraid, because you are with me. Let your peace guard my heart and my mind. Let it wash over me like rain on dry soil. Let it fill every empty space. Let it saturate my spirit until there is no room for anxiety to remain. Teach me the rhythm of your grace, the slow, gentle cadence of walking with you. You are not in a hurry. You are not stressed. You are not surprised by anything. So I release my need to rush. I release my need to control. I release my need to prove. I receive your calm. I receive your stillness. I receive the peace that passes all understanding. It doesn't always make sense, but it makes me whole. Let my thoughts align with truth. Let my body relax in trust. Let my soul remember that you are good. You are near. You are love. God, you are the whisper in the wind. You are the hand on my shoulder. You are the calm in my breath. You are peace itself. I picture myself laying beside still waters. I imagine you walking with me through green pastures. I hear you whisper, "Be still and know that I am God." Be still, know, trust, rest. I let go of every lie I've believed, that I'm alone, that I'm not enough, that everything depends on me. I choose instead to believe I am loved, I am held, I am guided, I am safe. When the voices of doubt and fear grow loud, I will return to this quiet. I will return to this prayer. I will return to you. I will walk slower, speak softer, breathe deeper, live freer, because your peace is in me. Let this peace shape how I respond today. Let it soften my words. Let it relax my shoulders. Let it guide my steps. Let it settle deep within, like an anchor in the depths of my soul. Remind me that I don't have to feel peace to have it. It's not based on emotions. It's based on your promise, and your promises are sure. So even if storms rage around me, even if problems go unsolved, even if I feel uncertain, your peace remains. Unshaken, unmoved, ever present. Let me be a channel of peace to others. Let my calm bring calm to those around me. Let my quiet strength be a shelter for the anxious. Let my stillness invite stillness. Let my soul radiate the calm of Christ. You are the God of peace, the Prince of Peace, the Giver of Peace, and I am yours. So I stay in this moment, breathing deeply, trusting fully, resting completely, wrapped in calm, held in grace, anchored in love. I don't need to rush out of this place. I don't need to solve everything now. I just need to be here with you. And that is enough. Thank you for this quiet. Thank you for this peace. Thank you for never leaving. Thank you for loving me just as I am. I will carry this peace into every room I enter. I will return to it whenever I feel lost. I will protect it as a gift from you. And I will rest in it again and again and again. Amen.